Good morning. Really tired. We never sleep anymore because we had a baby. I'm gonna make turkey bacon. Do you want some?
Yeah.
Look, everybody. I'm making a breakfast. And we can watch the little mogwai on this camera. If she cries, we can hear it too. I'm gonna finish Ninja Turtles. We rented it on Redbox last night. But, I think, what happened? The baby cried or something. We got interrupted, so we're gonna finish that.
Mickey.
You like that?
Mm.
Someday I'll make that for the mogwai.
チョコで顔描かないと。
ね。
描ける？ミッキー。
Of course. Who do you think you're dealing with?
これは supposed to be what?
I just had a little more mix, so I added it.
あ、なんだ。サンシャインかと思った。
Sunshine, it is. It's Mickey and the Sunshine. Can I have this one?
どうぞ。
The little tiny one? You don't mind? This is what I do a lot of the time now. Someone fell asleep on my legs. And is waking up and about to cry, I think. You gonna cry? It's really nice when she sleeps, no matter where she sleeps. As long as you can get her to just relax. It's more fun when she's awake, but she doesn't stay awake so long. More than maybe like 20 minutes, and then she either poops or eats or sleeps. I hear they get more fun when they get a little bigger. Right now we just take care of her. Lunchtime. Somen time. Arigato. Okay, I'm gonna put her on the couch and we're gonna eat somen because it's kind of hot today. I think it's like 85 right now. It's pretty warm, and I have her on my lap, which makes it even warmer. Taking back the red box. I guess that's it. It didn't give me that message like usual. Oh well. Let's see if my email can. Well, I hope they got it. I didn't get the email yet. We'll see. Check this out. This is the Gardena Buddhist Church. Very cool. It's There's actually several in Gardena, but this is, I think, one of the bigger ones. This is where they have all the summer festivals, the Natsumatsuri and stuff like that. I've never shown you guys before, so I just thought I would stop because I'm on, what street is this? 166th and Hilldale. So if you're looking for a Japanese, if you're looking for a Buddhist temple, I mean church, whatever, there it is. It's really nice. Nobody's coming. I mean, right around this way real quick. You can see the other side. I'll go up the street before this car hits me. Very cool. It's pretty big too. I think it has like a school attached, which is what that is, all the play equipment and stuff. This is what I got at the comic book store. I just took a shower and now I'm gonna go pick up chicken chick. We're gonna get juicy chicken and hummus and pita. You can't see Mika because she's feeding the mogwai right now. And the mogwai just pooped on her. Huh? But yeah, so I know there's a movie coming out on this, so I decided I'd get that. I had a free Jeffrey book, so that's the one I chose. This one I got at Anime Expo, Diesel, and I was looking for the sequels, the next three, but I didn't find it, so I'll have to look online. And I'll read this later. I haven't read it, but the art is really good. I like it. I met the artist. He was cool, and he signed it for free. It was free. Look, I'm here. It's dinner. Dinner served, everyone. Chicken chick. I love this place. I just happened to stop here. I guess I almost always get stopped by this light, but here's your McDonald's update. Looks like it's almost ready. Alright, new McDonald's in Gardena. If you want to visit, it's on the corner of Normandy and Redondo Beach Boulevard. Come on by! What's up? Tadaima. She doing okay? Huh? Really? Yum. I love this stuff. You love this stuff? Oishii. See, everyone likes it. Okay, thanks for watching the video. See you later. Bye.
Bye.